in Christmas times. We'll be chilling and having a good time.
Hello, and thank you so much for clicking on the video. We have some relatives in town for the holiday week, and they are staying at the Hilton Grand Vacations Elara, which is essentially at Planet Hollywood. So we thought we would give you a room tour and show you around the property a little bit. We parked at the parking garage for the Miracle Mile shops and then took the elevator down to the 3rd floor where they have a bridge you can walk across to the Miracle Mile shops. This is also where you're going to pay for your parking when you leave. From that entrance, I made a left, and then the lobby is right down here. It says Elara straight ahead. Here we are, Elara Hilton Grand Vacations Club. Starbucks right next door, and then the pool is right straight ahead. So it connects to the Starbucks, the lobby. Pool is drained right now because I'm here at Christmas time, so obviously it's not full, but here is the pool and cabana area. Connects to the Miracle Mile shops. Oh, they have a nice little bar down here early in the morning, so of course that's not going on. And then they have a gift shop. Very nice. Further down is the guest check-in and the lobby. And then you can access the parking garage from this as well, it looks like. And here is the check-in area. Again, it's early in the morning, so no line at the moment. Okay, so please enter floor 4 and then L5. So we got to go to L5. Oh. All right. Did have a guest laundry facility on the 4th floor where they were staying. Oh, wow. Very nice. Oh, look at that little kitchen. They do supply things like plates and cups and bowls and glasses. And they have a full-size dishwasher and then a refrigerator and freezer. They do have a utensil drawer. And then down in the bottom drawer, we didn't show it, but they had dish towels and dish soap. And then you have your microwave and some storage. So a fully stocked kitchen.
Deep it is.
It's a little toilet room. That's okay. And then you got a nice vanity. Wow, that's a nice tub. Did you use it?
Yeah.
Very nice. Coming around the corner, you have a full-size mirror and then a desk vanity with a TV, a king-size bed, and some bed tables, and then another mirror and a pretty good view. Got a little bit of a rooftop, but a little bit of a strip view as well. Here's another overview of the room. Oh, and a couch as well. They also had a fitness center right down the hall. I didn't want to go in and disturb anybody, but it looked like they had some good equipment. Okay, we're going to take you down to the Miracle Mile shops and show you where to get some reasonably priced food. And that flights is good. They have beer flights and stuff like that. There's Blondies. 49ers flag, all right. And this is where we're headed, the $5.99 breakfast special at Blondies. Blondies is a sports bar type eatery, so there's lots of games and things going on. It is quite loud in there, just to warn you, but it's a really fun atmosphere. Here's a look at their menu. With the $5.99 breakfast special, you get 2 eggs, 2 bacon or sausage, breakfast potatoes, and then we opted for the toast. It's an extra $2.99. And then be careful because they do charge you $5.99 for coffee, so I think that's maybe where they get you. They had a really festive holiday room, so we thought we'd check that out before we leave. I will put a link to this menu from Blondies as well as flights and La Cantina down in the description box because they have some pretty good deals. We'll take you on a little walkthrough through Planet Hollywood's casino as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you have a fabulous day.